Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can train your player easily with a secret trick without spending any money. At first, open the market. Then buy a 63 to 68 OVR player 2 times. Then go player section. Now as you can see, if I train Roberto Carlos by using this 266 OVR player 1 by 1, it will fill 120 plus 120 equals 240x. Then here is the trick. Now you have to do rank up those 166 OVR player by another one. You must remember here you have to do rank up only one time. It means when the circle collier is green you have to stop. After the rank up now, you can see the player XP is gained 360 from 240 XP here. You can use 120 XP more for free. Then just repeat the process for training. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.